Welcome to SS Creation. I am Sudarshan, guiding you towards achieving your financial freedom. In this video, we are going to have a look at what we can expect from stock market next week. Kindly pause the video and read the disclaimers. We have already posted a mutual fund related investment, what I have invested and why I have invested, and we have also covered investment related stocks. And today we are going to have a stock market update for the week. Next week, how the stock market can behave and few intraday stocks. I am not planning to post this IPO video because I was just doing analysis on my YouTube channel. If you see only videos related to intraday are getting at least a decent views. Anything related to IPOs, whichever is being posted, is not having that much great views. So probably I think most of you are really interested towards intraday trading as well as mutual funds. So further we will continue videos related to intraday trading, mutual fund and options alone. Guys, do like the video. Like is not going to cost you too much. If you people hit on like, there could be more views that we get, and YouTube will promote our channel. So whoever is watching, if you find the content really good, hit on the like button without forgetting. That will be a great help for our channel. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit on the subscribe button. And if you feel these contents are really good, do share it to your friends and family. First, we will go ahead and see what is the option chain talking about. This is a current week expiry related option. If you see, most of the people are still sitting on 16,000 call option, and 15,900 straddle is being made, and 15,800 put option has been sold high. So most probably market could be trading in this range. But I found one more thing in global index. Yes, SGX Nifty is trading around 15,820 right now. Now the market is closed. It was yesterday's closing price, and most of the global index are showing negative views. Whatever is traded on 16th late night or 17th morning, everything is showing a greater move towards the downside. And I saw one more news: coronavirus cases are increasing in India again. So we have to be very careful related to market as well. So option chain, if it opens around 15,800, what can happen is the gap down which is occurred 120 points or 130 points, whatever, could slightly get covered, and further it can go down. This is the Nifty 50 index chart. The Nifty 50 is trading around 15,923, but in global index it is trading around 15,820. So if at all there is any gap down open, what we can expect is 15,820 is much below. This is where currently SGX Nifty is trading. We have to see what is going to be the pre-open market for tomorrow. So have a close watch into the pre-market. Approximately it is trading 100 points down. What we can expect from here is, if market opens actually 100 points down, we could see slight recovery towards the CPR somewhere here, and then market could either become flat. There are two possibilities. It can either become flat, or once it reaches this point, it can reverse and it can break and go down. This is exactly what can happen in the market. Only two ways. I don't expect market to go significantly upwards. So what option sellers can do is, they can take 16,000 call option. Don't be in naked sell. It will create a huge loss. If you are looking for a straddle, then look for 15,900 straddle or 15,950 straddle. If you are doing strangle, take 16,000 call option and 15,600 put option or something. So that you cannot expect the market to gap down too much and keep continuing going down. That is not going to happen. So take 15,600 put option and 16,000 call option. My view is market will sustain between 15,750 to 16,000 for this entire week. Option buyers, look for the momentary movement in the stock. If it opens gap down, think about taking a CE just for some 5-10 minutes candle, book the profit and move out of the market. With respect to Nifty Bank is weak below 35,691. If it breaks this level, it can easily go down to 15,618 and it can further go down to 15,476. If it goes on the buy side, wait for it to break 15,873 with the target of 15,920 and 15,960. 36,000 breaking would be a stiff task because we will have a look at that option chain as well. See, there is a huge call rating in 36,000 and huge put rating around 35,500. So market could be trading between this range with respect to Bank Nifty, or people can take 35,800 straddle. So this is the view of Nifty and Bank Nifty for this entire week. We are going to have 3 stock views for Monday. One is Wipro, Just Dial and Bandhan Bank. Wipro is bullish above 582.05 and bearish below 576. And the target 1, target 2 and all is given here. 576 could be the stop loss and 582.05 could be the stop loss for bearish. With respect to Just Dial is bullish above, slightly bullish above 1080.8 and it will be very much bullish above 1096 and you can consider the stop loss of 1072. Same, it can be bearish below 1072 and the target 1 and target 2 are here and will be bullish above 1080.8. With respect to Bandhan Bank, I am not too much bullish on Bandhan Bank because the results were also not too good. I have a very much bearish view on Bandhan. So probably option writers can consider selling call option in Bandhan Bank and make a good profit. If Bandhan Bank crosses 310.7, there is a slight bullishness in that region. If it breaks 311.9, there is a huge possibility of it going towards 314.9, 319.4 and the stop loss could be 306.25. If it breaks 306.25, it can go to 302, 297.7 with a stop loss of 310.7. This is my view on stocks. Do your own analysis before taking any positions. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.